I'm sitting here at Creemore Brewery. Since 1987, it's been a staple in downtown Creemore. This exciting brewery is just a 2-minute walk from the Brix condominiums, as well as all the other offerings of downtown Creemore, including boutique shops and small local restaurants and pubs. Introducing the Brix Condominiums, boutique condos coming to Creemore. This exciting new project is around the corner. We're very excited to bring it to life. It's going to be 4 stories with just over 70 suites. This exciting development is being developed by MDM Developments. They've been in the business for over 15 years and are a family-run boutique developer who offers lakeside and boutique condominiums in locations such as Muskoka, Fenland Falls, and now here in downtown Creemore. This development was created with the resident in mind. We have 2 4-story buildings that are interconnected with just over 70 suites total. We have our main lobby with a fitness area as well as resident meeting rooms. Our suites range. We have suites that range from 1-bedroom and flex spaces, 2 bedrooms with split 2-bedroom floor plans, and upwards to 3 bedrooms as well. With every suite having outdoor space, this has the perfect suite whether you're looking to live in it or whether you're looking for it as your vacation home. The biggest value proposition of this building is you're in downtown Creemore, where homes in this area are very few, are averaging under $750,000. You also have Collingwood, which is 25 minutes away. If you didn't know, Collingwood just did a freeze on all new development, so that's just going to drive prices up in locations close by like Creemore. You also have all year-round amenities, skiing, national parks and trails for winter and summer use. You have the town with the brewery, with the restaurants, with the shops. So this provides a great investment opportunity for purchasers all year round. With numerous amenities all season round, this is the perfect place to call home or to call your vacation home. We're very excited to welcome you to the Brix Condominiums in downtown Creemore.